Hi there, today we're here to talk about my kitchen scale. I like to bake. I'm decently good at it. I can't believe that I never bought myself a kitchen scale until a couple of years ago. And I use it so much around Christmas time and baking, especially precision things like sugar cookies or cakes, which require a lot more precision. This thing's great. And a lot of recipes list things in grams. And then you can get exactly the right amount of whatever ingredient you need. Something like a macaron, a French macaron, that requires precision. I'm still terrible at those. I can't get them right. But something like sugar cookies, where you don't want to get too much flour or they'll be dry. So, and when I measure, say, 4 cups versus however many grams in the recipe, yeah, the 4 cups is usually over what I actually need. So even if I scoop it up and make it all fluffy and all the things they say. Anyway, so this is an Escali. The model number is P115M. And I think it was under $20. So I'll put the price up here. I can't remember exactly right now. But it's great. We'll do a little demo. So super easy. You turn it on and you can choose your measurements. So you have grams, pounds in that format, or ounces. I guess that was 3 formats. So 2 that are the imperial system and 1 metric, because metric is easier. So then you can put your container on here, and obviously it weighs something. So you want to hit tare to make that 0. So now you're not measuring your container, it's just measuring what is going in your container. So let's say my recipe calls for 100 grams of sugar. You can see I've got, 78, there's 80, give it a second to catch up, 97, little sprinkle, to, we can get it exactly, 100 grams of sugar. So as easy as that. You don't have to be like, oh, is that a half a cup? Is that exactly where I need it to be? It's just exactly there. It's 100 grams. You don't have to guess. It's fast. So love it. I've had no issues with this scale. I don't use it every day or anything like that. But I use it for baking, and then I also use it to portion products that we buy in bulk. So if we buy 6 pounds of hamburger, then I take it apart in 1 pound chunks, put some plastic wrap across it, measure out the 1 pound of hamburger and vacuum seal it. Those are the 2 main things I use it for. If I need to weigh something small, I have that available to me, or if, but mostly for baking. So it's been great. I don't think I have any negatives to say about it. It just works. It's just nothing else to say about it. If you need one, if you bake a lot, or if you measure things a lot and want to be precise, then this tool or something similar would serve you well. Okay, the link is down below for this machine. I will also put some other links to other machines that look good. I'm also going to put some baking links down below because there are some content creators that I really enjoy, even if you don't like to bake. They're just fun to watch and they just look yummy, and I admire the artistry and creativity. So, all right, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.